come to the podium, please? Are you there, Mr. 𝗗𝗏𝗯?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. 𝗗𝗏𝗯, you were arrested and charged with failure to maintain lane, DUI, and speeding. Mr. 𝗗𝗏𝗯, let me ask you a couple of questions. This question is just to figure out if you're a suitable candidate for bond. What is your address, sir?
4297 Rue Saint-Germain.
It's in Stone Mountain?
Yes, sir.
How long do you live there?
For over 5 years.
And who do you live there with?
My father.
All right. I'm going to give you the following bonds. Failure to maintain lane, $150. Speeding, $250. DUI, $1,500. Have a seat, sir. Anthony Rogers.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rogers. Mr. Rogers, you are charged with DUI and speeding.
Speeding?
No, failure to maintain lane.
Oh, okay. So I wasn't speeding in no way, shape, form, or fashion.
Well, and I shouldn't be accusing you of it if you weren't doing it. It wasn't on the ticket.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You just starting to make me. Hey, hold on. Whoa.
It ain't that bad. Mr. Rogers, where do you stay?
I stay at 806 Corundum Court, Stone Mountain, Georgia, 30083.
How long have you lived there?
Over 5 years.
Okay. And do you have a job, sir?
Yes, sir. I have multiple jobs.
All right. I'm going to give you the following bond. On the DUI, $1,500. And on the failure to maintain lane, $150. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Mr. Farian?
We have a couple Spanish speaking defendants.
I guess we'll do the language line last. Let me see who doesn't need the language line here. And then when we get them on the phone, it looks like we got 3 people with Hispanic surnames. Deshaun Rush, come to the podium, please.
Here, sir.
Hi, Mr. Rush. Mr. Rush, tell us where you live.
3949 Clay Hill Drive, Clarkston, Georgia.
How long have you stayed there, Mr. Rush?
Over 5 years.
See what they gave me for a history for you. Let's see, Mr. Rush, you are charged with no insurance, hit and run. And
that's incorrect.
You're right, that's somebody else's. Let's see what you're charged with, Mr. Rush. See, I got out of order because there was you're charged with DUI.
Mm-hmm.
And in a turn signal violation.
Well, it's a tag light.
A tag light?
Brake light. Yeah.
$50 bond on the brake light. $1,500 on a DUI. Thank you, sir. Have a seat.
You want to do the language line since I got them online now?
Yeah, we'll do the language line, and then we'll do Elvis Scott last. All right, let's do 𝗖𝗔𝗠𝗣𝗯, Eduardo 𝗖𝗔𝗠𝗣𝗯.
Raise your right hand. Swear to translate from English to Spanish to English to the best of your ability, ma'am. All right, thank you. Go ahead, Your Honor.
Mr. 𝗖𝗔𝗠𝗣𝗯, where are you staying? What is your address?
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Ask him where does he live?
Norcross, Georgia.
𝗗𝗏,
Norcross, Georgia, 531 Villa.
𝗗𝗏𝗂𝗂𝗃. Calle. What street?
Villa. Villa.
I need his address, where he gets his mail.
Tell him to give you the full address.
Es
Gentlemen.
Norcross, Georgia, 531 Villa City.
Did you get that, Your Honor?
What did she say, Deputy?
Repeat the address again, ma'am.
North Cross, Georgia, 531 Villa City.
For how long?
¿Por cuánto tiempo?
Ahí tengo viviendo 4 meses. Por ahí como 4
I've lived
3
there.
meses.
I lived there around 4 months.
Okay. I'm gonna give you the following bonds. On the hit and run,
I'm sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Okay, he said he's gonna give him the following bonds. Go ahead, Your Honor.
on the
Voy a darle fianzas.
Okay.
on the hit and run, 2,500 cash only.
On the hit and run, 2,500 cash only.
On no license,
En el golpear y huir, 2,500 efectivo únicamente.
Okay, go ahead, Your Honor.
on the no license, 1,500 cash only.
On the no license, 1,500 cash only.
En el no licencia, 1,500 efectivo solamente.
En serio, por todo.
How much would it be for everything?
Well, 4,000.
Email sign at bottom.
Bueno, 4,000.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Tome asiento.
She can use that window seal.
𝗗𝗏𝗞𝗃𝗯, Armando,
Window. She can use the window seal to press down. Put her in the window seal. Tell her to stand up in the window seal. All right, he's right here, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. 𝗗𝗏𝗞𝗃𝗯, where do you live?
Y señor, ¿en dónde vive?
En Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, México.
En Ciudad Juárez, Chihuahua, México.
Do you have a local address, sir?
¿Tiene alguna dirección local, señor?
No,
No.
Are you employed locally?
¿Está empleado localmente?
no,
No.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
¿Es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
no, mexicano.
No, Mexican.
Okay, did you have a driver's license at the time of this arrest?
¿Tenía usted licencia de conducir en el momento de este arresto?
Licencia, sí.
A license.
The court finds that you have no local ties to the community. Do you have any relatives here?
Can I please get a repetition? The court finds.
Say that one more time. Say that one more time, Your Honor.
Does he have any ties to this community, any relatives?
¿Tiene usted alguna atadura a esta comunidad, algún pariente?
Pues,
Gentlemen.
mis hijos, tengo hijos.
Well, my children, I have children.
And your children are local?
¿Y sus hijos son locales?
En Mississippi.
Mississippi.
The court appreciates your honesty. I'll give you the following bonds. These are cash-only bonds since you have no local ties to the community, no local employment, and you're not a citizen.
Hold on 1 second, Your Honor, let her translate that.
I'm sorry, I truly cannot hear
Okay,
everything
so
that you're beginning of the
He said he said he appreciates your honesty. These are gonna be your following bonds, cash only.
Right.
due to him not having any local employment and not a citizen, correct?
And no local residents? And
No
his-
local residents. That's what he's saying. No local residents.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Le agradezco su honestidad. Va a tener usted la siguiente fianza, solamente efectivo debido a que no tiene ninguna residencia local y no es ciudadano.
No insurance, $1,500 cash. Hit and run, $2,000 cash.
Sí tenía asegurado.
Say it one more time, Your Honor.
No insurance, $1,500 cash. Hit and run, $2,000 cash.
What is the last one?
2,000, hit and run.
Hit and run, thank you. 2,000, golpear y huir, efectivo únicamente.
$500 on the no registration.
Registración.
And no license, $1,000. These are all cash bonds. Total cash bonds will be $5,000.
Fianza total de efectivo serán $5,000.
Have a seat, sir.
I'm gonna let you start go.
Señor.
𝗖𝗔𝗂𝗄𝗍𝗄𝗯.
Sí.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez Rosas, do you have a local address?
Oak Line, Riverdale, Georgia.
Steady.
16 Oak Line, Riverdale, Georgia.
Phonetic condition, 16 walk, line. I'm not clear with the city, Georgia.
30296, el código postal.
Can somebody tell me what he said, please?
Hold on 1 second. Say it again, ma'am.
I'm not clear on what the city
Re-
name is.
Ask him to give you the whole address again.
¿Me puedes dar la dirección completa, por favor?
Ok. Es 16 Oak Line, Riverdale, Georgia. Es la dirección donde estoy viviendo ahora. Llevo viviendo 3 meses aproximadamente ahí.
16 walk. I'm not clear with that word, sir. Line, which I think is Lane, Riverdale, Georgia, 30296. This is the address where I've lived approximately 3 months.
And who do you live with, sir?
¿Y con quién vive, señor?
Con mi esposa.
With my wife.
Okay, are you employed locally, Mr. Vasquez Rojas? Do you have a job? Trabajo.
¿Está usted empleado localmente, señor Vázquez Rosas? ¿Tiene un trabajo?
Sí, estoy trabajando por el momento muy poco, pero sí estoy trabajando.
Yes, for the moment, I'm working very little, but yes, I'm working.
Where?
¿Dónde?
Trabajo en la construcción en el downtown, donde me lleve mi patrón.
I work in construction downtown, wherever my boss takes me.
All right. I'll give you the following bonds. DUI,
La siguiente fianza.
Okay.
1,500, cash only. Open container, 200, cash only. Those appear to be your only citations. And the cell phone violation, $50 cash only. Total bonds are $1,750 cash.
All right, Your Honor, you gotta go kind of slow. You went kind of fast for it.
All right. Cell phone violation, $50.
Translate.
I will start from the one for $1,500. En su fianza, CUI es $1,500 efectivo, siguiente para $200 efectivo únicamente. Y vamos a ver su citación a violación, $50 efectivo.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you tell him repeat what you told him so the honor knows what he already said?
Pardon?
Repeat what you just told him so we're clear on his bond amount.
Okay, so it's $1,500, $250. Cash only.
Correct. Okay. Siéntese, por favor. Mr. 𝗗𝗲𝗞𝗃𝗯, come back up, please. I forgot to tell you something real quick.
Regrese, voy a decirle algo.
We'll see him.
Mr. 𝗗𝗲𝗞𝗃𝗯, you have court on August 15th at 9 a.m. in Division B10. That's right across the street from the jail. Translate, please.
Pardon, I am not able to hear you clearly, sir.
Say it one more time, Your Honor.
It's August 14th, Judge.
August 14th,
No.
9 a.m.
August, he has called court on August 14th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
And it's Division B10 across the street in this traffic division state court.
It's across the street from the jail that he's in now.
Bueno, señor, tiene usted audiencia a corte el 14 de agosto, 9 a.m. Es cruzando la calle de donde se encuentra usted ahorita en la corte de tráfico.
Mr. Armando, you seem like an honest guy. It's important that you show up.
Y debo hacerle saber de esto. Es importante que se presente.
Okay, then you can clear the case and be done with it.
Que así pueda usted limpiar el caso y haber terminado con ello.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a seat, please.
Señor, le agradezco.
Let's get Ernesto 𝗗𝗲𝗄𝗎 up here.
Let's get home, Ernesto.
He's up. He's here. Go ahead.
Mr. 𝗗𝗲𝗄𝗎, where do you stay locally?
Señor Coralivas, ¿dónde se queda usted localmente?
No tengo alguna dirección. Venimos cada semana por vehículos.
No, I don't have an address. We come here each week for vehicles.
Where do you come from, sir?
¿De dónde viene, señor?
De Ciudad Juárez, México.
From Ciudad Juárez, Mexico.
Okay, and do you have a green card or a permit to do this?
¿Tiene una green card o algún permiso para hacer esto?
Tengo la visa de turismo.
I have the visa, tourism.
Very good. All right, so do you have a driver's license anywhere in Mexico or anywhere?
¿Licencia de conducir en algún lado, en México, en algún lugar?
Sí, de México.
Yeah, from Mexico.
Okay, I'm going to give you the following bonds. No license, $1,000 cash only.
$1,000 efectivos solamente.
No insurance, $500 cash only.
Efectivos solamente.
Registration requirement, $500 cash only. Mr. Ernesto, you got court on August 14th at 9 a.m. Okay? August 14th at 9 a.m. You must be in court or a warrant will be issued for your arrest.
Señor Ernesto, tiene usted corte el 14 de agosto a las 9 a.m. 14 de agosto, 9 a.m. Debe estar en la corte. De lo contrario, se emitirá una orden de arresto para su arresto.
Okay.
Okay? Have a seat, sir. And I believe that's it for the language line.
Yeah, that's it. You got Ms. Scott. All the guys.
Ms. Scott, come on up here.
Thank you. Hold on one second, Your Honor. Thank you, language line. Yeah, him too.
Excuse me, Judge. I'm sorry. For Deshaun Rush, you said it was 1,500 for his DUI, correct? Okay.
Okay, Ms. Scott,
Yes.
where you staying?
Off flat shows.
That's not that's not where I can send you mail.
You can send it to 2051 Flat Shows Road, apartment Q18.
Is that where you live?
Yes,
Who do you live there with?
myself.
Are you working locally?
Yes,
Where?
I'm a hairstylist
That's great. Where?
at Cut Creators Hair Salon on Candler Road,
Do you know the address on Candler Road?
2962 Ember Drive.
Do you stay with anybody? This guy, I think you told me no, you stay by yourself. Is that correct?
Yes,
Do you have relatives locally?
yes.
Who do you have that's local?
My whole family. My sisters, brothers, my aunts, uncles, nieces, nephews, cousins.
Where do they all live in Decatur?
Atlanta, Decatur, yeah, all, yeah,
Around here? So you're gonna show up for court if I give you a bond, right, Ms. Scott?
yes.
All right. Because if you don't, and that's why I've asked everybody all these questions, and when they say, oh, I stay out on Main Street, that doesn't make me want to, it makes me want to make sure I got the cash up front.
Oh, I'm calm.
Suspended license, $1,500.
Okay,
What's your other ticket? Is that the only ticket you get? What's your other ticket?
that's all. That's the only ticket I know about.
Excuse me?
I said that's the only ticket I know about. I don't know.
That's her only citation, Judge.
All right, so Ms. Scott, $1,500, you have court, and it's gonna be on the order that I'm gonna sign on August 19th.
Yes.
9 a.m. right here across the street in the State Court Traffic Division, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna make sure you're there, aren't you? Because you don't want to see me again for not showing up.
Yes, I'm gonna be there.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Deputy, we got everybody.
Show on the front page. Have a great day, sir.
We're good? Okay, as soon as I get the orders, I'll sign them, and everybody will have their bonds.
I'm sending them right now.
All right, that concludes